Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we got a quick video for you. I'm not going to mess around too much. Today we are finishing up our wheel wells. We've applied the sound dampening on the walls, and then we're going to start adding some foam to the crevices. And foam insulation, not spray foam, because I don't... Yeah, you'll find out. I've done enough spray foam in my life. I'm going with traditional foam insulation in all the crevices, on the walls. But hopefully it gives you some ideas of what you want to do with your bug out van. Or any vehicle. Sound dampening is great for any vehicle, trust me. Just watch. So now I got all these taped on. Finally finished. I even rolled the tape with the roller. And it makes it look a little bit better, but it's not overly necessary. But finally, these are all done. And I started rolling these things, and I had to stop because A, my arm was killing me. B, it also quit rolling because the temperature dropped to like 75 degrees, so it just kind of went, nope, wasn't happening anymore. So, as for these things, I'm gonna have to wait until I find a nice warm spot. Yeah, this ain't happening. Or I can park the van in a sunnier location, get some warmer temperatures, and then I'll finish the rest of this killmat, and that'll be that. And it'll be ready for some insulation. Yeehaw. Oh, skip that. I could actually get started on the insulation. I just thought about that. I could insulate down in these bits right now and get all these little tight areas done with insulation. And I'll be using this stuff for my insulation. It's one of those foam comfort foam things that you put on a mattress. I got it for a twin size bed, and I just took it and cut it, you know, because it has these funky sections, so it kind of went like that. You've seen them in the hardware stores. And they're white when you get them. And I took these pieces and dyed them. Alright? Because these are going to be visible pieces. But as for these white pieces, these things will go down in these little crevices right here. Up in here. And it won't be visible. Alright? So we can just stick the white stuff in there. And all this other areas where it's going to be slightly visible, like in these openings here, I could use all the gray stuff that I dyed for the visible areas, like up in here. Put a couple pieces in these, right? Down about that level here, I guess. Be like Betsy Ross, but I'm cutting things. Cut the stuff in about probably 2-inch width. Normally I cut the stuff with a razor blade if people are going to be looking at it, but this is going behind the scenes, so to say. Yep. Look at that. So much air gap. Nice. I only need a little bit more of it than I thought. All right, drop out here. And stuff the rest in, right? Be up here where the action is. I don't want the light. This guy. Don't twist, Jimmy. Look at that stuff. Spray foam arse. You know, stinking spray foam around here. Just making sure it's not tight. There we go. See? Not pinched. Not super tight. Plenty of fluff still. That's great. Goes all the way to the top. I don't think I'm going to get any fit there. But I'll get a little bit to fit up top there. Well, that's probably this piece. This piece will probably fit right up there. This way. Remember the trick to doing this stuff, folks, is don't get it too tight in there. That's pretty tight, but it gets wider up there, so we're good. That's where we're gonna need this guy. There it goes. That's almost too tight. Let me pull this out. So, what's great about this stuff is you can kind of just thin it. Like so. We'll just cut all these X's and O's off. It's tight right past that. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. It's not too tight. Yeah, there we go. So we just thinned it out a little bit. Look at that, right up in there. All out of behind the scenes. Up in the crevice. It's nice and loose. It's a little tight there, but I don't want to jam it too bad. Why? There we go. Push this up. There it goes. That's a lot better. Cool. Well, that's pretty much the idea. I got a few other spots I'm going to be tucking in before we do the big panels here. And color, I'm going to use the gray foam in this. And all my scrap foam, remember all that? Alright, this is stuff I just cut off, so this thing's got great places to put your scrap foam, all the way down the bottom of that. Little scrap pieces, you can just stuff it down in this and just keep stuffing it till it's full. And I know there's no electrical down there because all the electrical's there and it goes right to that door. I don't plan on having any electrical in here, and eventually that thing will get full all the way up to about here. We're going to leave it like that. Maybe I'll fill in a little. Yeah, you get the drill. Just keep packing and stuffing the foam in anywhere you can. It's nice and light. If you want, you can use spray foam, that great stuff spray foam. I quit using that stuff a long time ago because it's messy. I'm fairly good at it, using the great stuff foam, but that stuff's just, once it lands on anything, it's impossible to get it off. But if you want to use it, hey, go right ahead. More power to you. I've been there, done that. And I ain't going back to living that life no more. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe and like button. And I will see you next time, because there is more to come. Later, y'all.